where people meet tech and tech meets people. Between the clouds. All right, welcome, everybody. We are so excited. I am so excited because what we have today is the equivalent of Kenny Rogers and Dolly Parton of the Citrix tech community together. We've got Christian Reilly and Pat Patterson from Citrix. Welcome both.
Thank you, Sean.
Hey, Sean.
Super excited to have you guys on today because we've got an event called Citrix Converge. Tell me like I've never heard of Citrix Converge. What's it all about and when is it and how do I attend?
So Citrix Converge is all about our developer community. And I say developer with a very small d. When you talk about developers, most people think of somebody in an IDE writing code all day. But that's just one part of the community. We call those coders. We have many more scripters who might be admins or engineers working with PowerShell or Python. And it's really, that's the core of our community. Mm-hmm. And then we have the builders using the low-code, no-code tools like micro apps and Podio. And then anybody that aspires to be in one of those groups. It's really an event for that entire technical hands-on community.
Okay, so I'm an aspiring developer. Is it appropriate for me to attend?
Absolutely. We have some great sessions for beginners from folks, actually from our community. Guy Leach is doing a session on PowerShell and the REST API. So it's a great way to come and get started and, skill up.
Christian, you might play a role in the keynote for Converge. Is that true?
That's true, Sean. Yeah, we got some great announcements coming up. We've obviously, this is our third Converge, actually, the second one that includes all of the product portfolio now. So as Pat mentioned, it's not just kind of the initial Converge was really more about the kind of the builders, but obviously we've recognized the importance of the rest of the community to this effort. And it's great for us to be able to serve that community. Of course, extremely important. We've got some good announcements in the keynote, one of which we've been working on for a couple of years, actually. In fact, something that was requested out of the UK from one of the CTPs, and it was a kind of a tiny seedling idea, really aimed at making interactions with Citrix technology a lot simpler. And that's all I'm going to say because I don't want to spoil the keynote, but you're going to want to be there for that. It's a great announcement. We're really proud of what we've done, and I think it's going to be a game changer.
I'm hooked, and there's no way I can persuade you to kind of leave, even if you just whisper it in my ear what the announcement's going to be.
It's big. I've spent literally 50% of my time this year working on this, and the other 50% working on Converge.
It's so good. It's almost like a one more thing, if you remember those.
Yep.
So it's that big.
Wait, there's one more thing.
We have a lot of fun with it in the keynotes.
I want in. How do I register for Converge?
Citrix.ws/converge-2021.
Let me ask you this, and I'll stop here, I promise. Are you going to be joined by anybody during the keynote?
We may have a very special guest during the keynote who was instrumental in the big announcement. And I know you're trying to tease it out of me here, Sean, but there's just no way you're going to get it. We'll have to wait for the keynote day.
If you want to find out, Sean, you can register for Converge yourself, and it may just be in the agenda there.
Man, this thing is full of teasers. I'm going to stop it there because I'm getting too excited. I'm going to go register for Citrix Converge again and see if I can't get that information. But I am super jazzed. What are the dates of Converge again, Pat?
We have day 0 on October 25th, where we have hands-on labs and business-focused sessions. And then the main event is October 26th to 28th with 3 tracks, virtual apps and desktops, app delivery and security, and work solutions. So something for everyone working with Citrix technology.
Is it available on demand after the event?
Every session will be recorded. Every session will be available on demand.
Amazing. So again, I want to thank both our guests today for teasing us out on Citrix Converge and what's going to be happening not only during the event, but the keynote and the huge announcements. I'm going to be tuning in live, and I can't wait to replay it on replay. That's how much of a Reilly fan I am chapter president of the Reilly fan club here in the United States. All right, everybody, make sure you register for Citrix Converge, and we'll see you there. Bye-bye.